Join me as I try to build a steady stream of passive income by making some smart investment choices. In this video, we will discuss the concept of passive income and how investing wisely can lead to financial freedom. Many people struggle with the traditional 9-to-5 grind, waking up every morning, going to work, and coming back home exhausted, only to repeat the same cycle the next day. This can be a real challenge, especially for those who want to build wealth but don't know where to start. The truth is, relying solely on active income can be a real roadblock to financial freedom. When you're trading time for money, you're limited by the number of hours you can work in a day. And let's be honest, there are only so many hours in a day you can dedicate to your job. This means your income is capped, and it can be tough to make ends meet, let alone build wealth. On top of that, job security is never a guarantee, and the possibility of job loss or a sudden drop in income can be devastating. Finally, the 9-to-5 grind can be mentally and physically draining, leaving you with little energy or time to pursue your passions or spend time with loved ones. We'll explore different investment strategies that can generate passive income, including stocks, real estate, and peer-to-peer lending. Stocks have been a popular investment choice for decades, offering a relatively low barrier to entry and the potential for long-term growth. Real estate investing can provide a steady stream of rental income, while peer-to-peer lending allows you to lend money to individuals or businesses, earning interest on your investment. Each of these investment strategies comes with its own set of benefits and risks, which we'll dive into in more detail. From dividend-paying stocks to real estate investment trusts, there are many ways to generate passive income through investing. When it comes to stocks, you can earn passive income through dividends, which are portions of a company's profits distributed to shareholders. Some stocks even offer a high dividend yield, providing a relatively passive stream of income. Real estate investing can provide rental income, which can be a great way to earn passive income, especially if you're willing to put in the work upfront to find and manage properties. Peer-to-peer lending is another option, allowing you to lend money to individuals or businesses, earning interest on your investment. And let's not forget about index funds, which track a particular market index such as the S&P 500, providing broad diversification and the potential for long-term growth. The key insight here is to understand the power of compound interest and how starting early can significantly increase your passive income potential. Compound interest is like a snowball rolling down a hill, gaining size and momentum over time. When you start investing early, your returns have more time to grow, and the effect of compound interest can be staggering. For example, if you invest just $100 a month from age 25 to 65, you'll have over $150,000, assuming a 5% annual return. That's the power of compound interest at work. To wrap up, we've covered the importance of passive income and smart investing strategies that can help you achieve financial independence. By diversifying your income streams and investing wisely, you can break free from the 9-to-5 grind and build a brighter financial future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my next video on the best investment apps for beginners.